Understanding update behavior in MySQL repeatable read transactions. The problem: unexpected behavior of update in repeatable read. You might expect that under MySQL's repeatable read isolation level, data read during a transaction remains consistent and does not reflect changes committed by other transactions. However, when performing an update in a transaction, observing the updated value immediately afterward can be confusing. Scenario setup. Transaction A begins and reads the fans column, value is 0. Transaction B updates fans by 1 and commits, making fans equals 1. Transaction A reads again and still sees fans equals 0, this aligns with repeatable read. Then transaction A updates fans by 1 and immediately sees fans equals 2 and subsequent reads within the same transaction. After committing transaction A, the fans value is indeed 2. Isn't this a violation of repeatable read? Actually, no. Why this happens? Key insights into repeatable read. Repeatable read guarantees a consistent snapshot of committed data from the start of the transaction. However, changes made by the current transaction are always visible to itself. This means reads inside transaction A reflect the committed state at start plus any modifications transaction A has made, even if those modifications have not yet been committed. Updates in transaction A are done on the latest state as visible to that transaction, and subsequent reads will reflect those changes. Practical analogy: bank account balance. Imagine a table where each row is a customer's bank account. Row with ID equals 8 is your bank account balance. 2 transactions represent incoming payments. You'd expect that after the first payment commits, transaction B, your balance updates. Your transaction A, still sees the old balance until committed. But after you add another payment, update in transaction A, you want to see your new balance, old balance plus all increments. This behavior is exactly what MySQL implements. Summary. Repeatable read ensures stable snapshots for data read but not written yet in the current transaction. Updates within a transaction will be visible to that transaction onward. This is by design and necessary to maintain transactional integrity. Understanding this distinction clarifies that your update results and subsequent reads inside the same transaction showing updated values are expected and correct. For further reading, MySQL transaction isolation levels, https://dev.mysql.com/doc/refman/8.0/n/inodb-transaction-isolation-levels.html. Understanding MVCC and repeatable read in InnoDB.